Edge equation light, it has two series of the system. One is we call the UPS series. Normally we configure with 300 watts UPS. So you can see this is a typical configuration, and this is one basic configuration. This is something adding some more network units. It's totally modular, and we have a typical configuration of 48 volts 15.8H lithium battery. But you see that actually we mentioned many times the configuration of the typical configuration is doesn't make any sense, because we can customize the requirement based on your request. And for the solar part, we call it S300, and this scenario we embed with the solar units. Which we can compare a little bit. This is the PWU, which has UPS embed, right? Smart breaker embed. This is the solar unit, but the other parts is more or less same, So the basic architecture is exactly same. Both of the system can be managed by our monitoring software system called convergence management platform. Okay,